Hello everyone, let's see how to fix EverBest Shopping Trolley Bag Blue Chest print with additional base plate 2023 updated model. Firstly, we will remove these safety caps. Now we will fix these wheels onto this rod. This sound ensures that the wheels are fixed properly. I'll show you more properly. This sound ensures these are fixed. Now they are not coming out. Now in case if you want to take the wheels out, push this button inside and pull these wheels out. Wheels are detached. Now again we are fixing it. This sound ensures that the wheels are fixed. Now unfold the frame and fix it from the middle like this. Now fixing this additional base plate over here. So there is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2 and 3. Fix the back onto this frame. Now fixing this neck over here on this velcro. Here is a back pocket given to keep any mobile phone or chain or any keys. There are the side pockets given to keep the beverages or soft beverages or water bottle, anything whichever you want. There is an additional base plate given, this one, to keep it aligned. Also, you can tighten it over from here. Blue Chest print foldable shopping trolley bag is ready for use.